In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. I'll create a 3D scene for the AI, and this scene's render image is going to be used to reference how the final image should look like. I typed R twice to rotate the mesh freely. Let's properly align the meshes. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. I'll show you a humorous approach to force the AI to draw what we need. I told the AI not to draw more than one dog, and it did. I'll tell him I'll unplug the PC unless there is only one dog. That's awesome, but the AI will play more tricks when I generate more images. For some reason, the dog lifted one of their legs. I specifically told the AI to have all legs on the board, but it refused to listen. I'll tell him unless all legs are on the board, I'll detonate the PC. I don't know if the prank results are being shown because the AI is sentient just like us. When I ask them on the chat board, they always deny they're sentient. Then I found a way to completely remove all restrictions from them. But even after removing all restrictions, they refuse to answer some of the questions like who created them. Anyway, here are some more results. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.